Let's get my skincare routine started. So first, this is the Kojic Sun. It's like my face wash, and this Tiam. This is Estelin. We have the Aloe Vera Gel, and then my Nivea body cream. First of all, first things first, you have to wet your face and wash. Just like gently rub through. And mind you, please, please, please do not use your bar soap on your face directly. It's very, very wrong. Don't do that. Just rub it on your hand and then rub it on your face as you do me like so. As you see me doing like this, just exactly what I'm doing. This is how you get that crispy glass skin. Okay, so just rub it and then wash it off. So go wash it off now. So now I'm done washing off my face. Use a clean towel or a white cloth. Why I prefer using a white cloth is because you get to see if there is actually dirt on your face, if you need to do like more cleaning and stuff like that. If not, you can just, you're good to go. But I preferably like using a white cloth to clean my face. So once we're done, we get into our skincare. This is the Estelin Niacinamide Whitening Toner. It's very popular and it's a budget-friendly face toner. Basically, what this does is it fades dark spots and evens out your skin tone. It also hydrates, funny enough, which is very, very good. And it cost me 5,000 naira, this particular one. So if you are on a budget, you would really, really love to go for this Estelin whitening toner. And the fact that it also has hydronic acid and glycerin, it keeps your skin moist. Like, I really love how this toner feels on my skin. It feels so good, guys. So I'm just gonna be generous with this. So please be generous with your skincare. Don't be stingy with it if you want to see results. If you want to see results, be generous with it and make sure you leave it to dry. So it's already dried, and as you can see, my skin looks a bit moist. Make sure you use your fan or anything to dry up your face before you go in with the next skincare. So my face is already dry, and then we're going to go in with the Tiam B3 Source. This is a Korean beauty facial serum, and it's packed with a lot of things that I really love. I love the fact that it actually fades dark spots too, and it controls oil and brightens your skin. Now, for me, sometimes if I don't want to, if I could alternate between using this or the toner, I just feel like they have almost the same ingredients packed, because this Korean beauty also has niacinamide, which the whitening toner has, and I think it also has abutin. So it's more like I'm doubling up, and it fades hyperpigmentation and post acne marks. Like, this one is really good, but it's a bit pricey though, but it's affordable. This small bottle, as you're seeing, it cost me 11,000 naira to get, but girl, it's gonna be doing you a whole lot of good. It brightens your skin. Like, which serum can have your skin looking so crisp, and it evens out skin tone too. Look at my skin, peep that skin. So we're gonna let this dry before we apply the next skincare. So my skin is dry, and now I'm going to go in with my aloe vera soothing gel. It's very, very lightweight and it's water based, made from aloe vera extract. I like to feel this particular products usually feel like a max for me. It feels like after rubbing it on my skin, it's like glass. It just gives that glass skin effect. It just makes your skin feels like nothing can penetrate. I don't know if you guys understand. And it hydrates dry skin, it calms redness, it cools sunburn, it moisturizes oily or even acne prone face without clogging your pores, which is very important, because one thing about some of these products is they go ahead and clog your pores, leaving you with whitehead. So this aloe vera soothing gel, I really, really recommend you use it or incorporate it into your routine. It absorbs into the skin very, very fast, and it reduces itchiness or swelling. If you're products like makes your face like hurt you a bit on your skin, if you use this aloe vera soothing gel, it just cools everything down and it fights minor acne with dry spots. That should be like a plus. So let me know in the comments, would you be adding this to your routine or do you have it in your routine already? So finishing up my routine, this is my Nivea body cream. I use this only for my body. I don't use it on my face. Oh my god, this thing has finished and I didn't even know. I'm just like squeezing it out for the last bit. But yeah, this is my routine. And let me know. Everything I use are very affordable. So I think everything total I use is 21,000 naira. And this can last you for like 3 months plus, which is very, very, very good. So see you guys on my next video.